Welcome to your new online banking experience. We've redesigned online banking with you in mind. Looking for something specific? Your new menu makes it easy to find exactly what you need to manage your finances. Whether you're looking to view your accounts, make a payment, or customize your budget, we've made every click count. Access your account balances and transactions directly through the My Accounts tab. Use Pay and Transfer to move money, pay bills, view scheduled transfers, add or delete other member accounts you send money to, and manage your external accounts. View and manage your debit or credit card settings in the Card Services tab. Customize your budget overview, get a quick view of your cash flow, trends, goals, spending, budgets, recurring transactions, and upcoming activities, all under your Budgets tab. Download your tax documents, access your account statements, and manage your statement delivery preferences from the Statements and Forms tab. Use the More drop-down to open a new share, apply for a loan, credit card, or home loan. You can also start a youth membership application, register for workshops, send us a secure message, and view other ways to contact us. The Rates drop-down menu provides you with our rates for the products and services we offer. This website redesign is all about you, your needs, your feedback, your future. Take control of your finances today. We hope you found this video helpful.